today I have this classic cut crease. I feel like this should be my signature makeup look because, you know, I always do cut creases on my channel, and I feel like I'm good at doing cut creases. And if you follow me for a long time, you should probably know by now how to cut a crease. I mean, it's super easy, you just need to practice. Okay? So, yeah, today I have this very classic signature, very classic makeup look. I used again the crystal eyeshadow from Focallure. I can't get enough of how good these eyeshadows are. They are so beautiful, so pigmented, so blendable. This Morganite, I feel like I can't pronounce these names, is this shimmery one that I put in the inner corner. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this one I thought it was a little bit more pigmented, a little bit more, I don't know, rosy-ish pigmented, but it's a very soft shimmer. It's beautiful. You have to build it a lot, but it's beautiful. This one has a little bit of glitter, but it's not really glitter. I don't know, it has more shimmer in it. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. And as I promised in my last video, today I used a different foundation, and oh my god, I forgot how good this is. This is very similar to the Wet n Wild foundation. They're like identical. I mean, they're not identical obviously, but I don't know, they kind of feel the same on the skin, but this one has a little bit more of coverage. Overall, they feel amazing on the skin. This is not my color. I had to blend like my entire neck and my chest, but I forgot how amazing this foundation is. Wow, this is definitely for the summertime. If you have dry skin like me, you will love this foundation. So yeah, other than that, I feel like I use the exact same products I'm using all the time, and I don't know, I kind of love them at the moment and I want to play more with them. They work for me so nice. Not this concealer, I'm not really a fan. I love how luminous it is, but the coverage is no. It doesn't help with the darkness I have around the eyes. I had to build this a lot. I mean, I had to apply it like twice, not a lot. But yeah, the coverage is not really amazing, but I love how it brightens the under eyes, and yeah, it's not that bad, but you know, the coverage is not. And again, I played with the P.Louise base. I feel like the shimmers kind of gather a little bit in the creases. I don't know if it's the base or the shimmers, I don't know. Overall, the makeup look turned out so nice. I feel like these shadows kind of blended by themselves. I mean, not really, but kinda, you know. It was super easy to blend them out. This is a very cute makeup look, like so girly. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look using again the crystal eyeshadow palette from Focallure, thank you for watching. I said I guess that's it for today. I really like how this turned out. As I said, I feel like this is my signature makeup look. I feel like I've done like 5 looks similar to this one. Maybe I used different colors, but very similar, like very classic cut crease with a little bit of shimmers, no eyeliner, just lashes and mascara. Super girly, so cute. I love it. So let me know down below what do you guys think. And as we can see, I tried to do something with my hair, but these baby hairs, so annoying. I can't tame them, and I added this cute cat pin. So cute. You can even see that, but anyway, so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Look who joined us. Yeah, she's so sleepy. She just woke up. No, don't lick me. Yeah, that's right. Her breath stinks. Okay, bye.